Hi guys, hope you're having a wonderful day. This is how to draw Fennekin. It's a Pokemon card, and it kind of looks cool. I mean, look at it, look at it. It's just like laying in the grass and stuff like that. It's cool. So we're going to be drawing this, and I hope that this helps you. I hope that this is everything that you need. Alright guys, you guys ready to do this? Yes. Alright, let's do this. So, to start off guys, what we're going to be drawing is the head. Now the head is going to be like this head that has like a nose thing, you know, it pretty much starts out just like this. And then what we can do is draw like the left side of the eye. And it starts out as a line, but what we're going to do is darken it so that it has like a, I guess, you know, so that's just what the eye looks like. And then we can do that to the right side, and it's going to be another line that kind of has like a curve to it like that. And then also, we're going to be darkening that. Perfect. So now, what we can do is we could draw these little, I mean, it's like a big oval circle thing, and these are what the eye actually, like, you know, it's the eye inside the actual eye, and two of them. But we're going to be drawing two little baby circles right after, and we're going to be drawing two little oval things in the bottom. And it looks just like that. And that's actually Fennekin's eye, so you're good to go. Then we draw a nose, and then a smile, and it looks just like that. Good job, guys. So we're doing pretty good. Now we could do whiskers, but to be honest, I don't even know if these are whiskers. Like, I think these are just hairs that stick outside of Fennekin's face. Just like a fox, I guess. Just do that. And then we're going to move the head a little bit so we can actually draw the right ear. But we're going to just start it out. We're not actually going to finish it just yet. It should look something kind of like this, but just leave it right there. Because what we're going to do is draw some ear hair. Like hair. It sticks out a little bit just like that. Two little ones, and then you're going to do like a big one that goes all the way out, and it comes right back just like that. And then it comes right back in, and then just finish the ear with the line at the bottom. Good job. And then we're going to draw the head, but we're going to lead that right into the left ear, which goes up just like this. And then it's going to do the same thing that it did into the other one. So we're not going to actually finish it just yet, because we have to draw some hair. So draw two sticking out just like that. And then we're going to draw a big hair thing that goes around and comes right back just like that. Just like the other side, guys. So you're doing pretty good. And then a line that finishes the ear right there. Awesome! Alright, so now what we have to do is do some face lines. Do the face line right there, right there, right there. Got some three. And then now we have to draw the back leg. Two curves like this, guys. You also have to draw like these little spiky things that are in the back of like Fennekin's leg. Apparently it has that, so that's fine. And then it finishes off right there. There's a line that goes right out the whisker right there. And then we're going to draw the paws, which kind of like leaves it open right there, but then we're going to draw the other side of the paw, the other paw, and then it goes right around and it goes right in, and then finish the paw. Alright guys, we're almost done. So now, draw the foot, and just finish the foot right there. Doing great. And then the tail. Now the tail kind of looks like Eevee's tail if you really think about it. Except what we're going to be doing is we're going to be doing like a different pattern, I guess, if that makes sense. It's just going to be like a loop, and then it's going to be another loop. And with that, that is pretty much it, guys. That is Fennekin, the Pokemon card. Yeah. Alright guys, there's color right there if you guys need it, but thank you so much for watching the video. I hope that this helped in a way that as much as it could. I do appreciate you guys watching, and I don't know, let me know if you guys were able to do something with this, and yeah, thanks so much guys. Hope that you guys have a wonderful day. Hope that things are fantastic with you, and that you smile so much. Thanks so much. Take care. And I'll see you in the next one, guys. Bye, guys.